Yasi Pressman finally breaks silence on breakup with ex-fiancé John Semira. Nagsalita na si Yasi Pressman tungkol sa hiwalayan nila ng ex-fiancé na si John Semira. Noong August 16, 2023, kinumpirma ni John sa Instagram na hiwalay na sila ni Yasi, ilang buwan lamang matapos isa publiko ang espesyal nilang relasyon noong July 21. Ayon noon kay John, mutual decision nila ni Yasi na tapusin ang kanilang relasyon at magkanya-kanya na. Nilinaw rin niyang walang third party sa kanilang breakup. Sa panayam ni Yasi sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda ngayong Huwebes, September 14, pinatotohanan niya ang sinabi ni John na walang ibang involved sa kanilang hiwalayan. Ayon sa aktres, pinili niyang manahimik dahil nirerespeto niya ang pinagsamahan nila ni John. Hindi rin daw niya maaatim na pagpiestahan sila ng publiko lalo na't maayos naman silang naghiwalay. Saad ni Yasi sa host na si Boy Abunda, "I think, Tito Boy, I'm just gonna make this really short because I do respect the privacy that John has. I understand that our relationship was private din naman po. Unfortunately, it just didn't really go that way. Pero at the end of the day, I value the time that I've had with person. Lahat naman po ng may malaking naiambag sa buhay ko, hindi ko makakalimutan. And what's beautiful din po is that we still have a good talking relationship. We have businesses that we built together. And despite not going that way, I really still wish him the best and he wishes me the best as well." Sundot na tanong ni Boy, kung mayroon kang specific na leksyon na natutunan in the context of love, ano ito? Sagot ni Yasi, "Wow, this is a very hard question. I think it's just you have to be honest with how you feel from inside because that's what love is din, eh. It's not only love towards the person that you're feeling for, but also love for yourself and you're still a whole and a whole. But if you still have things to work, parang it's kind of difficult. So, love yourself also while loving another person." Sa lahat daw ng nangyari, may mga bagay rin daw na pagtanto ang aktres. Sabi niya, "Just don't rush into things, just breathe and just be in the moment. Just appreciate everything." Hindi rin nakaligtas si Yasi sa pag-uusisa ni Boy tungkol sa isang nalilink sa kanya ngayon, si Camarines Sur Governor Luigi Villafuerte. Ayon kay Yasi, masaya siya sa kung anong mayroon sila ngayon ni Villafuerte. Ayaw rin daw niyang madaliin ang mga bagay-bagay, at imbes na magpaapekto sa negatibong sinasabi ng iba ay mas gugustuhin niyang maging masaya na lang. Lahad ni Yasi, "Ano lang din po, Tito Boy, I'm very happy to be spending more time together. Again, I don't wanna put labels in anything anymore. Not rushing into anything anymore. So, parang kung saan na lang po ako nagiging masaya. Kasi mahirap po talaga yung pinagdaanan ko. And now, sometimes feeling ko, whatever I'm happy, I'll stay there." Sundot na tanong ni Boy, "Masaya ka kasama si Luigi?" Tipid na sagot ni Yasi, "Masaya naman po.